Hey guys, Ethan here with Family Handyman. Say spring is here, and what better time to take a look at the condition of your lawn. If you're like me, you have some problem spots around your grass where the seed just doesn't seem to take. Because of that, I picked up the Corona Yard Breather Aerator and decided to give it a whirl. Aerating is essential for a beautiful looking lawn. It entails punching small holes or cores into the soil to allow air, moisture, and nutrients to penetrate the grass roots, allowing your lawn to flourish. This Corona Aerator is a lightweight, sturdy, tubular steel aerator that cuts and ejects two 3.5-inch soil plugs every time you plunge it in the ground. The tool has comfy, soft rubber anti-fatigue handles and a sturdy, slip-resistant foot plate to keep you focused and relaxed until your aerating task is done. Now, manual aerating takes a lot of time and effort, but if you have a small yard, some problem spots, or maybe you're just up for a challenge, the Corona Yard Breather Manual Aerator is perfect for you. It's sturdy, lightweight, and well built, and that's why it's Family Handyman approved. For more great products we've tested and approved, head on over to familyhandyman.com.